Hey guys, look at this.
You see all that water moving? It's a river. It's a creek connecting, and it's gonna go all the way to a drain.
Yeah. Well, I feel like it took the whole place up, like it took over. What?
It took over the whole planet.
Yeah, it's gonna get big. And it's hot.
It's hot.
It's very hot now. It's getting hot. Now.
We're following the water. Look at it, pick it up. Following the water.
It's very hot. Stop messing with it, guys. Stop messing with what?
Is the video on?
Yeah.
Look at that, pick up some cicadas.
Here. Is that alive?
Oh no, it just suffered. How? I did.
Ah! Uh-oh. We got... No, don't leave it. Leave it.
I'm gonna make it fill up.
No.
Yeah.
Leave it. No, it's gonna be a boat.
Yeah. Put the cicada in the
Leave
boat.
it.
You put the cicada in the boat.
Yeah,
Put it in the boat. Somebody hold this.
Okay, Cicada. Here, you're gonna live. You're gonna live.
Wait a second. Cicada's not gonna live.
Cicada's not ready. He said he's hungry.
Okay, Cicada's fully fed. Okay, now Cicada said he's thirsty. Now he's done. Now he needs to take a pee. Now he needs to take a crap.
Uh-oh.
No! You said I need to take a crap, you mother. You said you need to take a crap. Now you're done. Stop lying.
Let go.
Okay, let go. Stop it, Cicada's not your friend. He's my friend. No, he isn't. He's everyone's friend. Cicada? Cicada, are you with me?
Hey, Finn! You need to go to the boat, Cicada. Yeah, you need to.
Wait till it.
Uh-oh.
Give me a little kiss before you go to work. Kill some other.
Well, guys, Cicada's going to war today. Hope y'all having a good day.
God, but Cicada's gonna kill other bugs, so I gotta give him the kiss until he goes to work. Are you hungry? Take a crap. Oh no, he farted out an acorn. Are you hungry? Yeah, I'm hungry. Ah!
Yeah,
Run!
buddy.
Yeah, I gotta throw up first. Okay, now get back to work.
Get back.
No, you're gonna die because you made me mad. You called me a big fat dog. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. You're drowning him. Come back. Forgive me. I forgive you. Forgive me. Now die, you motherfucker. Alright, go, my friend. You shall get lost at sea.
And you get lost at sea.
Be free. Get eaten by big great white sharks.
Uh-oh, the boat's sinking.
We're walking
What
What if I pissed in this water?